How to turn off or turn on share my activity option on Twitch, easy and fast. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on or turn off the share my activity option. First thing, go to Twitch. This is the home page, as you can see. Now you need to go to the top corner right here and click on your profile, and then you need to go here to set presence. Click on set presence, and here you go. Now you will find share my activity option right here. You can turn off or turn on as you want. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe.